Alright, so in this video we're going to continue with the drawing worksheet 1, looking at drawing number 2. The view that is missing is my top view, so I'll start out by drawing that top view in, ending at this point, and it goes up, across, and ending there. Right, so this is what I want to create from my blueprint in AutoCAD. You notice a lot of the dimensions are the same. My front view is 2.5 inches wide and 2.5 inches tall and 5 inches wide. Got AutoCAD opened up. Start with the line tool, far right side, and then up. You'll notice that I did leave it on my dimension layer, so I'm simply going to click these two lines and switch them to my 0 layer. I'm going to offset. Again, my front view is 5 inches wide, so I offset 5 inches. And my front view is 2.5 inches tall, so I will offset 2.5, hit enter. There's my front view, needs to fit in that box. I do want to leave space in between my views, so I'm going to offset 1 inch. And the height or the depth of my views is 1.5 or 1.5. So I offset 1.5, hit enter. This line goes up, this line to the right. Right, so I'm going to add in a line that goes from here to here. Now again, I'm going to use trim, highlight everything, hit enter, and start trimming out these lines that I don't need. Got space for my top view, my front view, my right side view. And then I can simply delete those other two views. All right, now go back to my blueprint. I've got a line that goes over 2.5 or 2.5. So I'm going to offset 2.5, hit enter. I'm going to do the same on the top. On my right side view, I have a line that goes over 3/4 or 0.75. So offset 0.75. I'm going to do the same thing here. And you can kind of see where my top view comes into play. Use my trim tool. Highlight my entire top view, hit enter, and trim out the lines that I don't need. And that gives me my top, front, and right side. Again, I'm going to dimension it, so I'll switch to my dimension layer. I'm just going to glance at my blueprint real quick to see where my dimensions are located. I've got my width, this feature, my height, my depth, and this feature. So I click linear. Again, my width, this feature, my height, my depth, and this feature. And that concludes drawing number 2 on page 1.